and the top stick and the tape and these papers and the orange file and the inner objects hands and the windows and the in his top of the wheel.
Okay. Are you ready to start?
Yeah.
Okay. We have paper over here. This paper we are going to use for the body.
Yeah.
And this is the circle. We cut one part of the circle to make the top of the rocket.
Yeah.
Like this. Yeah, and we have some right angle triangles. See, right angle triangles like this. These are going to be the propellers, the sides. Miguel hands? Miguel says hands. And this is some paper. We cut it into this shape to make the fire. And here we have some windows.
Windows.
Okay, let's get started.
Paper.
Yeah.
I like this.
Like this. And we will put a tape over here.
We need the tape.
Yeah. Okay.
Ta-da!
Ready? So what we're gonna do? We'll put this top over here like this. Yeah, it's purple, dark blue. Where are you going to put it?
On the top.
Okay, put it on the top like this.
Need the windows.
Muhammad,
I need the windows.
show the windows. We put some glue on the windows,
Yeah.
and now we're gonna
Stick
stick them. Yeah.
up.
Window number 1.
And I need
Okay, it's Muhammad's turn now. Right. We're gonna put the glue over here and we're gonna stick it here. Yeah.
Ta-da!
What is that?
The
A
fire.
fire.
Oh yeah, the fire. The fire is left, so now we're gonna put some fire. Look. How many fires do we have over here?
Two, three, four.
Yeah. Now we're gonna glue these fires. Are you ready to go to space? Please.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Here is the wheel.
Okay.